These are the usual thoughts about insurance investment. As a financial advisor, I totally agree. Mahal. Mahal magkasakit sa bansa natin. If we want to have access to the best medical treatment, we need money. Gastos? Hindi titigil ang gastos the moment you get critically ill. In fact, lalong dadami ang mga gastusin. Hindi kailangan? Tama, hindi kailangan maglabas ng malaking money for you to get big protection benefits. Insurance program are customizable based on your needs, wants, and budgets. Hindi totoo? Correct. Hindi totoong hindi ka makaka-claim sa insurance, especially if na-process na ng tama ang application mo. Meaning, no material concealment or health condition itinago during the application stage. Di ko maintindihan? Ito yung role naming insurance agents to help you understand the benefits, terms, and condition of the plan. Kaya kami rin mismo nag-aaral so we can serve you better. At the end of the day, simple lang ang goal ng pagkuha ng insurance to help you enjoy your present while making sure you have a secured future. Wanna know more? Message mo lang ako, pag-usapan natin yan.